Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola One Ace. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet app. Now tap Add to Wallet button. Focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass. And as you can see right here, you've got a bunch of different transport passes for different countries. Select yours. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.